So hi guys, today we'll see another Java program, that is delete existing file using what? Using Java program. So how to do that using a Java program? So first what I need to do, first create class here, public class. So class name I am giving is what? Delete file. So body of your class. So next, so use a main method in this public static void main method. It going to handle what? A array of type data string. Now is what? Main method. So main method, what I need to give, first will save the file with the class name dot java extension I have given, save. So now file is already there. So now we'll make a changes. I will give file.1. So C control S control V dot java. So I have given, now save. So file is saved down. So now what I need to do, I will create. So first we'll check, so file is there or not. So file, I have created one txt file. So file is there with a hi, hello, good morning message. This file I want to delete from this folder. So how to do that? Just go to properties and copy the path, and file name and extension need to be remembered. So now we'll create an object of file, new file, and we'll provide the path where my old file is present. Yes, so give a path here and change the slashes, forward slashes I need to get change. Yes, I have changed the files here. So now what is my file name? Output dot txt. So this is my file name. So that I am storing with one object, or you can say reference variable of file. So it is present in what? Your file class is present in what? One package, that is java.io package. So only particular file class I want, so directly you can mention. So in IO package I am only taking up a file class. So done. So after this, so how to delete the file? So for deleting, there is a method called delete the file. So how to delete that file now? So just use the reference variable or object of file dot and delete method. So it's going to delete. So whatever the file, I have given a path here, but what I need to do is I need to recheck. So user need to understand it is deleted or not. So for that I am giving what? I am giving a one, it going to return one boolean value. Using that one I am just giving a message for the users. So what I am giving, if it is true, it is deleted is, so whatever the process is there, that is true, in the sense I am going to display some message, that is system.out.println. So what message you are going to display? So that you are displaying what? File is deleted. So else, so if it is not true, so your file is not deleted, then you are going to display some message. So what message you are going to do right here? So your file is not deleted. File is not deleted. So this is how you are writing the program for deleting the file. So just I have created a class and you have imported the file package, or you can just import the io.star. So all the related file you can use input output related operations using this package. You can get the classes. So after creating class, I have created a main method and I have created an object of file. So inside this I want to delete which file I want to delete, that path I am giving. So after that, so it is using the delete method I am deleting the file. So reference variable of file I am taking and delete method I am taking, that I am storing in a boolean value. It going to return boolean value, that I am storing in a value as a variable. So if it is true, it going to think that this message will be displayed, that user will understand that file is deleted. or else it is will display file is not deleted. So using if conditions you will understand the file is deleted or not. If I not given a message, the user will not understand, so he need to go for what that folder, then he need to check. So for that I am using the if condition, and whatever the return delete method going to return a boolean value, using that one I am just clarify it is deleted or not. So now we'll run the program. So using this class name. So how to run? Using the command javac, next paste your file dot java. So no errors. Now we'll compile it, now we'll run it. So which command you are going to use? Java and your file name. So it's showing the error now, so better we'll keep it in what try block. What error it's showing? So I have missed the array, so it's going to main going to handle what array. Compile. So now file is deleted. Now we check in a folder that is deleted or not. So is there any out.txt? Before you have seen out.txt here in this folder, but now it is not present, so it is deleted now. So now again we'll delete, so it's going to show the exception, or you can say error. So file is not deleted, so it's showing the error message because the file is not present in the folder. That is how you are deleting the file using the Java program. So next video we'll see with the another Java program. Till then practice these programs, and thank you so much.